Oh, and he got the Philadelphia Eagles hat on. They play today?
Oh, I have no
He said, I have no idea, dude. My mind is shot right now. You know, you're good. Yes, sir. Yeah. That thing look good. They look real good together.
Yeah.
That's cool. Yeah, it is a big difference, huh? So is this your first time about to ride a road glide?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh, my God. Oh, man. I ain't gonna hold you. That bike look good on you, man. It looks sick. It looks sick. Try pushing that up that driveway 4 times a day.
Yeah, right?
Oh, man. There you go. Yeah, for sure. Yeah. Yes, sir, man. Y'all see it here first. My guy is out there sliding these Philadelphia streets. Yeah. Yes, sir, man. Y'all see it here first. Yeah. You like it, huh? Yeah. That thing cold. That thing cold, man. How you like it?
Man.
Hey, man, tell them where to go get in.
Everything's great. 125, dog. You next.
Hey, it could be you next, man. Hey, I ain't gonna hold you. That Road Glide fresh, man. He like, man, I done added it to my collection. I got the CVO Street Glide. Yes, sir, man. Y'all see it here first, dog. That's dope, man.
I've delivered enough of them at this point, man.
I'm glad you like it, man.
It's a winner chicken dinner kind of thing.
I'm gonna have fun with that.
I'm glad you like it. That's dope.
Yo, man, I love the wheels, man. Big difference. The Pershings, forget it.
Yeah, kind of make it pop, man. So it's like, it's definitely made it stand out a little bit more.
The blue one's got the blue.
Yeah. He liking the blue one.
You could be next.
Hey.
I tried. I got there too late. I said, I'm getting me a hat. He goes, they just sold out.
Hey, man, that's funny, dog. Well, y'all see it here first, man. My dog David got the bike. We all the way in Philly, man. Going up. It's kind of raining out here, so we can't do too much out here. I don't want to get too crazy, but all in all, it's a nice bike to a nice guy, man. I appreciate the support, bro.
Yeah, man.
You already see it.
Awesome, bro.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
You got the CVO over there. It's a beautiful bike, man. That's what I'm trying to get to one day, dog. I ain't gonna even hold you, dog. That's dope, man. Jason, I appreciate you, man. Good looking out.
Anytime.
Thank you. Y'all see you here first, man.
Next week.
For sure. I'll see you.
You might be here again.
Hey, right. He said he got in for the gold one.
Once you gotta stay in it now.
Right. He's like, every chance I get. No, for sure. No. Hey, Dre, yeah. Shout out to Built by Dre, man. You got to get in where you fit in, man. Yes, sir, dog.
Well, you could definitely feel the difference.
Yeah.
But man, it feels lighter on the fairing.
Yeah,
because
see, it's
the
nothing
fairing's
up
not
there.
on it.
Yeah, it's nothing up there. Yeah, for sure. It's definitely a big difference, man.
Especially just like maneuvering the room,
Right.
just a little bit here.
He said, I'm trying to get over the blue one. Yeah, I'm heartbroken. I'm buying it. Hey, I'm dying. That's funny, man. Yeah, no, that's sick. Yeah, no, it's definitely like, it's a huge difference compared to the street glide, man. So,
Can't believe this.
he said, I can't believe it. Hey, man, we'll believe it. It's here, live in the flesh, man. What you think you gonna do to it, or you gonna keep it stock for the most part?
Well, no, I want to get the LA chopper.
Oh, you want to get the bars?
Yeah, the bars.
Okay,
LA
yeah.
Chopper.
Right.
Probably,
Different seat, yeah.
Yeah.
Get some loud pipes on it, or what? Or you like the subtle sound?
No, I actually was.
Cause you got two bikes to build up now,
Yeah,
man.
yeah,
So you know which one you gonna do first. It's like, okay, bet.
I gotta do my truck.
Right, so you got to do the truck. You got a whole lot to do, man. You got toys to go around. I'm digging it, man. No, I'm here for it, man. I'm here for it. A few little minor upgrades. This thing look freaking way better, man. That's dope, though. I'm glad you won it, man. Yeah, I was trying to get you on a FaceTime, man. My dog was asleep, man. So this legit our first time seeing each other.
Nah, I was knocked out the night before. I had to go to bed early.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I wake up normally around 4 o'clock in the morning.
Right.
So I was already knocked out.
Ooh.
And my phone was downstairs.
Oh, damn, yeah. See, I was blowing you up. I'm like, bro, please answer.
4 o'clock in the morning, I'm looking at my phone and saying, what the heck?
Hey, that's funny, dog. That's funny, man.
Man, that's crazy.
Yeah, nah, man, it's your bike, man. So please enjoy this thing, man. Ride safe, man. Ride hard. I'm loving it. I'm loving the lineup. I can't even hold you, man. My dog Jason is out of here. I have to get my next bike, man. So enter to win, and you could be next. Yes, sir. The man of the hour. What's up, man? How you doing, dog?
Good, how are you?
Man, good looking, man. Got your dad a bike and stuff. Got the wallet and everything. Hey, man, y'all see what's going on, man? Hey, man, so you know it's time to ride, man. You got to learn how to ride. You got to hop on one of these Harleys, man, and slide one of these things. If you had to choose, man, I know you've been watching the YouTube, maybe seen the videos or two. Which one do you like better, man? Just let me know. Price excluded, because, you know, that's the big dog out of all of them. That's for sure the big dog. But price excluded, which one do you like the best?
I'll definitely ride that one.
Yeah, you like the red and black one? Okay, bet. I got one on Harley Davidson CVO. I got one.
That thing is sick, though.
Hey, man, that's dope, dog.
Way better in person
Than the video. Well, I appreciate that, man. Good looking out. Yeah.
for sure.
On the video, I try to, you know, get you some close-ups, you know, the best I can do. But like you said, you know, in person, it's a whole lot different in 3D, you know, so.
That's for sure. Especially the wheels. Those wheels are killer.
You like the wheels, huh? Hey, man, get some wheels for the CVO, man. That thing might pop even more.
That needs a 21.
Yeah, 21 black with the red buttons. Oh, my God. That thing look crazy.
Wraparound.
Yeah.
I hate those fenders.
Yeah, no, I'm telling you, dude. I'm telling you. See, I was gonna put that fender on this one, but it was kind of damaged. But I'm like with the 21s, they look really good to me at least.
Yeah.
But yeah, you're right. The wraparound is it. Yeah, for sure.
And he was like, yo, I just want a $30,000 bike or something like that. Why are you saying that?
Yeah, he was like, bro, it's too
$5
early for that.
million.
Right. Woke him up out of his sleep. Hey, man, that's funny as heck, dog. Yeah, nah, it worked out, man. You got that thing now. I mean, it took a long time, man, but like I told you, man, it was going to take a little minute, but hey, where we at now, man? Yeah, man. Yes, sir.
My new Road Glide Special.
Yeah, man, y'all see it here first, man. We all the way out here on the East Coast, dog, live in the flesh, man. I appreciate you, dog. Thank you both. Appreciate y'all, man. So he said he found Stanley from Connecticut, man. So they probably gonna go slide. You know, we on the East Coast. Everything over here, like, literally close as heck, man. So Stanley, make sure you hit my dog David back, man. Y'all go slide and glide, man, on that Road King and the Road Glide, man.
CVO.
Yes,
CVO
sir.
Keith.
Yeah, CVO
No
Keith.
trade.
No trade at all. I'm dying. Hey, Keith, he said he do not want to trade, man. He said he cool with the Road Glide. I'm dying. That's funny, man. He brought it up too. He was like, yeah, man, he hit me back on there. He was like, no trade. Hey, man, that's funny, man. Y'all see it here first, though. Yes, sir, man. Next day here, man. You know we couldn't leave without getting another Philly cheesesteak, man. I can't wait, dog. I'm excited again. Yes, sir. They got the joints going up. Slap that on there. Yes, sir. It's going down. It's going down. Yes, sir. Going up. What's up, man? Can I get a whiz with extra whiz?
Yeah. Big bread.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. Thank you, man.
Everybody.
I ain't gonna hold y'all. They wasn't stingy with the cheese today, dog. This thing gonna be cheesy. Oh my goodness, my hands about to be messy. And then since we got some time, guys, we might as well stop out here on the river, man, and let you guys know, man, we do got a new hat. We do got a new burgundy and white hat, man. All you guys gotta do is head over to everythingsregular.com, cop you a white and maroon cap. You'll be entered in for my next giveaway, man. We got something special coming, so man, stay tuned for that. I can't wait. Meantime, we about to enjoy the lake. Nah, it sounded good though. Alrighty, guys, we done found a freaking early flight, man. We ain't waiting out here till tomorrow, so we done got our Philly cheesesteak, man. We on our way back to the West Coast, man. So I'll catch y'all in a second. Alrighty, guys, if you guys ain't noticed yet, man, we made it to ATL. We only got about an hour and a half for our flight, man. Had to come out, get some fresh air. Then we on our way back in, man. So let's get it. So alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today, man. You guys seen me headed over to Philly, all the way to the East Coast, dropped off our 2021 Rogue Live special off to David. Yes, man, that Rogue Live special is out of here. It's gone. David isn't enjoying it. I know he's got the CVO, man, but it's nothing like that Rogue Live, man. That Rogue Live is always going to be something different. Speaking of Rogue Live, guys, if you guys entered for my 2021 Rogue Live special here or my 2014 Rogue King here, we are going live this Friday. Yes, this Friday at 6 o'clock, we are going live to see who's going to be the winner of these bikes. If you guys missed out, it's never the end of the world, man. I already got another Rogue King on the way, man. So if you guys want to get a head start, head over to everythingsregular.com right now, cop you a burgundy and white Everything's Regular hat. Meanwhile, you guys know how we doing it now, man. It's always going to be two, so I'm bidding on something else today. So you guys might want to get in now before it get too late, because once I start posting these videos this upcoming week, you guys are going to be like, okay, bet. Should have got in when he told me to. So without further ado, man, if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in. Go ahead and get you a new burgundy and white Everything's Regular hat, and you'll be entered into my new giveaway, man. Meanwhile, we will see where these things are going on Friday. So I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace. Speaking of new parts, we already got our chrome lowers in for our Rogue King. That should be here this week. So I can't wait. Those are our chrome lowers for that bike. So they'll look like that. To give you guys an idea, hint, hint. And this is our wraparound fender for that joint. So the front end will be looking like this, man. If you guys haven't entered, man, head over there now and get in early, because when we get the bike, it's gonna go by fast.